Uses of castor oil you'll wish someone told you sooner. Dating back to 4000 BC, Egyptians identified the importance of castor oil, but it could be way older than that. The plant of castor oil may be naturally present or cultivated. It is native to tropical Africa but cultivated in India, Brazil and China. It has various varieties, but is the only genus in its species. The people who have gone before us have left it as a treasure for us, only if we know its actual benefits and could utilize it properly. If it were to wear the crown of Queen of Oils, it wouldn't be wrong, because it is carrying so much potential in itself. So in today's video we are going to tell you about the potential that this oil holds. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Archaeologists have explored the age of castor oils, and they came to know that it dates back to the 6000 BC. Back then they used it to light the lamps and also for medicinal purposes. So let's talk about these usages. Stay with us till the end of this video. Number 1. Cleopatra's beauty tips. If you have not known Cleopatra, then let me tell you. Cleopatra was the last active ruler of the Ptolemaic kingdom of Egypt and known for her beauty, but some have mentioned her otherwise. Cleopatra used castor oil to lighten her eyes and followed the other Greek and Roman goddesses, who used to apply it on their hair, nails and skin. It is also believed to have the spiritual abilities known as the healing hand, because the leaves of castor beans resemble a hand. Number 2. A unique chemical structure provides you unique medicinal ability. Castor oil has triglyceride fatty acid with 90% of ricinoleic acid, an unsaturated omega-9 fatty acid along with omega-9 oleic acid, and the omega-6 linoleic acid, but the action of ricinoleic acid is more prominent. It helps your body metabolize in similar way as fish oil and anti-inflammatory prostaglandins. It is also important for your inflamed joints. Number 3. A remedy for your joints. Arthritis is the inflammation of joints. Castor oil is effective in reducing the pain and stiffness, and you can either take it orally or massage the affected area. You can simply add a tablespoon of oil in either your beverages or food. You can also massage the area with warm castor oil, gently rub it to soothe the pain. Castor oil is considered as the best remedy for joints when it is extracted from the plant Ricinus communis containing the toxic enzyme ricin. After going through a heating process, the enzyme gets neutralized and safe to use. Number 4. You don't want stretch marks. It's okay. Stretch marks do not hurt, but you might doesn't like bands on your skin. These bands are due to the collagen or elastin tissues of skin when they rupture, or due to hormonal changes. You don't have to apply any medicine on it, because it may fade with time, but if you want to decrease the time span, apply castor oil on it. The ricinoleic acid in it having salts and ester provides a skin conditioning effect and moisturizer to your skin. Castor oil can inhibit transepidermal water loss, so regular miniaturization and improved transepidermal water loss can help change the appearance of bands. Same goes for scars. Number 5. Castor oil for inducing labor. Earlier Egyptians midwives used to give pregnant women who were unable to go into labor after the time was completed to drink it. Although science today does not give a certain evidence to it, it is still believed to cause contraction of the uterus and thus help induce labor, but do not just rely on it and consult your doctor when needed. It might hold some side effects like diarrhea, nausea, stomach pain and allergic reaction. The contraction of uterus is believed to be a result of a strong cathartic effect or possibly a prostaglandin-mediated process. It was popular in the 20th century until the introduction of oxytocic drugs, but a number of studies have investigated its effectiveness. In 1950, more than 50% of the obstetrics department recommended castor oil. Number 6. It soothes the mouth sores. For your teeth and gums, if there's any soreness, you need to do a quick remedy. Before going to the doctor, swish a tablespoon of oil into your mouth. After 10 minutes, spit it out and rinse it with warm water. You'll feel much cleaner breath and cleaner teeth and gums. Castor oil has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Even if you do not brush or floss regularly, the ricinoleic acid kills the bacteria and particles lurking around in your mouth with just one time of use. In an article, it is stated that the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil make it the perfect natural remedy for treating mouth sores. To address sores in your mouth, apply a small amount of castor oil or peppermint oil to the area. After several minutes, rinse your mouth out with water and repeat several times throughout the day. Number 7. Insomnia can be treated. Once make sure you are not allergic to castor oil, then put a drop or two on your eyelid before sleep or massage your feet so you could get a relaxed sleep. The reason is in its odor that helps relax the mind. You can first avoid the facts that lead you to sleep deprivation, but if you're unable to get enough sleep, castor oil will help you have it. Muscle pain is also another reason for insomnia. When it is rubbed on your skin, the ricinoleic acid penetrates deeper and helps to relieve inflammation in the tissues and soothes to muscles. After applying the oil, place a heating pad or hot water bottle on it. Number 8. Effective against congested liver and migraines. There are toxins in our environment, and sometimes they lead to a congested liver, and toxins are not filtered out, so there's a remedy known as castor oil pack that is effective against congested liver by detoxifying it. Castor oil packs can gently decongest the liver and reduce the frequency or intensity of the migraine. There's not a single reason for migraine, but among many, liver congestion is one. In women, when they are going through their menstrual cycle, they often experience severe headaches. This is due to the excess hormones that are produced and need to be filtered out of the liver. But if the liver is congested, then it triggers migraines, PMS, and other hormonal breakouts. Number 9. For proper digestion. Castor oil is believed to be effective for a proper digestion and waste excretion or poop in most parts of the world. Especially the babies who are facing difficulty in passing his stool, castor oil is the best remedy for it, but it doesn't taste good obviously, so parents used to punish their children with the help of this. They make them drink it when there's a need to punish them. Number 10. Treatment for acne. Acne is the major problem nowadays, and people can't figure out one proper medicine for it. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Castor oil, being a natural source, draws out dirt and other excess cells that are dead without drying out your skin. A skincare specialist said, the common skin condition, acne, is a result of impurities accumulating in your pores, causing the skin to become irritated and inflamed. Many of the acne remedies on the market today contain benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid, which tend to dry out the skin. There were times in the history when the castor oil was used abusively and termed as the Dark Age of castor oil. In the 19th century, during a time known in Mexico as the empacho, it was abused after periods of overindulgence in food and drink as a mechanism to purge the body. And Italian soldiers used it as a torture tool to induce laxation in the 20th century. But soon it was used in herbal concoctions such as ipecac, senna, and witch hazel. Edgar Cayce, the North American healer, used to intuiting treatments for people. No matter what the problem had to be, castor oil was always included in his treatment. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments regarding usage of castor oil, let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.